Well, now that you've seen the smoke in action, let me give you my thoughts. Hello, everybody. This is Kevin Jenner Productions, and today we have a different type of specimen on the desk. Today we have a Christmas train. We have a MOTA classic train that I bought in Ollie's bargain outlet for 20 bucks. This is a very weird looking train. I bought it, and as you can see, it smokes. Doesn't really get warm. This is a really weird locomotive, to be honest. And it smokes. There's an element in there. You can put oil down there and you can fire it up. I've never seen a train that has smoke with it. I have seen them and I hate smelling them, but they're very much different than any train I've seen. It's got little golden detail. Pretty weird. They say this train is really quality. This thing is critical on voltage. It's got a lot of questionable designs. The thing is made completely out of gold. You could call that this is all made of gold. I mean, the bell should be made of gold, not the whole train. It's like the Donald Trump train. I mean, that's really a hard understatement, but I mean, who the heck would cover their train in gold? It's a waste of material. This is this train retailed I got this for 20. And the detail is very mod. And in the commercial, I watched it, and my camera's off. And it didn't actually show these lights. They don't work. And I'll prop this thing up real quick, and I'll show you the lights don't. All of them don't work. Here's the engine. We're gonna turn it on. I'm doing this one-handed and trying to look in camera. Only the top light works. And it smokes. I prefer that. So it did kind of rip me off, but, well, it's no more bigger than, this thing is massive, though. Put it to an O-scale train. This thing dwarfs any train I have. Alright, if you want to even get better with proportion, this is the largest train I currently have in ownership. No, I'm going to get rid of it. This thing is bigger than a Lionel NPC locomotive. That tells me a lot. The thing is made really weird on the side. I had to look inside the engine to mess around with it because it wasn't working really well, so I fixed it. And this thing has a really weird motor. It's built really weird. And they said they offered this as high as $100, which this is not worth $100. This isn't even worth $40. Worth what I paid. To be honest, you need fresh batteries to get it going. And I struggled with that. It's huge. It's monster. I mean, to be honest, this train is massive. Again, it is a huge engine. It works. Paid 20 for it. It's got a bit of a panel. Look at it underneath. There's no detail underneath the engine. It's just you got the a pilot or a pony. And these are fake. There's only one driving wheel. It's got traction tires. And speaker. Had a bit of time getting the speaker back in, but this is a weird little train. It doesn't pretty much smoke, but when you turn on, again, once you turn to smoke, it smokes. And that's generic smoke. It's got a mind of its own. But it's got a mind of its own. Well, it doesn't chuff and make a chuffing, so as most model trains, if steam engines would smoke, they actually go and synchronize it with the chuffing if it has sound. So it'll go like shh, shh, shh. This is just a constant. The smoke just keeps rising up. So overall, I'm even going to put my light near it. I looked inside. It's just a bit of a caulk iron. There's a little machine inside the engine, and it's very interesting. Let's go bring it to the track. Let's bring it to the track. First time you made. We're gonna bring this to the Christmas tree. We're gonna show you this in action. To get the engine, oh damn it! Now to get the engine in correct, you have to line it up with the trucks. And the trucks have a weird coupling system. And I'm glad I've removed one because I'll show you. It couples like this. And there's a little bit of a... kind of just hook it on and you send it off. I don't prefer to run it with the sound because you need fresh batteries to get it going. You need like the best batteries on the market to get this thing to run. And I wish there was a tender because I wish there was like a tender and you could connect this to the train because it could draw more power. It's just 4 AA batteries, not very well. So let's fire it up. I can find the switch. And it works really how you'd want a toy train to work. And it's very much a train that if you buy this for your Christmas tree, buy it, but if you're a modeler, don't buy it. The details are okay. Very much a train you get young kids. If you want to get a kid in like O-scale trains, buy him this. But be warned, it does not fit on O-scale track. So, I don't know if the Lionel ready to run trains, the ready to play trains I mean, like if they run this track, I have no clue how wide the track is. It's a big engine, it's really nice, but that's all I have to say. I will give you a little bit of honesty. This train, I'll stop it. You kind of hold it to just stop it. The switch is very well hidden, so you'll have a bit of trouble on the first few goes. You tried getting it to go. Sorry for the shaky ass footage, but let's see, and I can't fit my phone in there. Well, actually, I can. So I'll send the K. Oh my god, that shot. Oh no. Yeah, this is not a train. Yeah, you have to stop it like that. I'll fix it in a moment. I fixed it. Alright. That's everything. Enjoy the rest of the holidays. See you all in the next video. Whenever that is. Goodbye.